Why would anyone eat a green banana? Maybe they know it is a nutritional powerhouse. Electrolytes, fiber, etc. Do you ever look at a green banana and think it's unripe and not worth your time? Think again. Green bananas are actually packed with nutrients that make them a nutritional powerhouse. From electrolytes to fiber, these unripened fruits have numerous health benefits that may surprise you. In this blog post, we'll explore the reasons why anyone should eat a green banana and how to incorporate them into your diet for maximum health benefits. So next time you see a bunch of green bananas in the store or on your kitchen counter, don't pass them by. They just might be the key to unlocking better health. Green bananas are nutritional powerhouses. Green bananas may not look like much, but they are bursting with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in many ways. For starters, green bananas are a rich source of resistant starch, which acts as a prebiotic to feed the healthy bacteria in your gut and promote digestive health. Additionally, green bananas contain several key vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and B6. These nutrients work together to support everything from muscle function to immune system health. What's more, green bananas have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels due to their high fiber content. This can be especially beneficial for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels naturally. Studies have also found that regularly consuming green bananas may lead to improvements in heart health by reducing inflammation and supporting healthy cholesterol levels. So don't overlook these unripened fruits. They just might be one of the most nutritious foods you're missing out on. How to eat green bananas. Green bananas are often overlooked in the grocery store, but they can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. One question that many people have is how to eat green bananas. Firstly, it's important to note that green bananas are not as sweet or soft as their yellow counterparts. They have a starchy texture and a slightly tangy flavor. Some people enjoy eating them raw, while others prefer to cook them. One simple way to prepare green bananas is by boiling them. Simply peel the skin off the banana and cut it into small pieces before placing it in boiling water for about 15 minutes or until tender. You can then season with salt or spices of your choice. Another option is to fry green bananas. Cut the peeled banana into thin slices and fry in oil until golden brown on both sides. This makes for an excellent side dish or snack. You can also use green bananas in smoothies or baking recipes for added nutrition. Just make sure to blend well if using in a smoothie. There are plenty of ways to incorporate green bananas into your diet. Experiment with different methods until you find what works best for you. Green bananas are a good source of electrolytes. Green bananas are not only rich in fiber, but they also pack a punch when it comes to electrolytes. Electrolytes play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of fluids within our body's cells and help regulate muscle and nerve function. Potassium is one of the essential electrolytes found in green bananas. It helps maintain normal blood pressure levels, supports healthy heart function, and aids in digestion. In fact, just one medium-sized green banana contains around 400 milligrams of potassium. Another important electrolyte found in green bananas is magnesium. Magnesium plays an essential role in over 300 enzymatic reactions within the body, including regulating muscle and nerve function as well as supporting healthy immune system function. Sodium is another vital electrolyte that can be found in small amounts within green bananas. While we often associate sodium with unhealthy processed foods, it's important to note that this mineral plays a crucial role in fluid balance regulation. Incorporating more green bananas into your diet can provide you with numerous benefits due to their high nutrient content, including their impressive amount of electrolytes. Green bananas are a good source of fiber. Green bananas are not only rich in electrolytes, but they also pack a powerful punch of fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining good digestive health and preventing constipation. In fact, just one green banana contains up to 4 grams of dietary fiber. The high fiber content in green bananas can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This makes them an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Fiber also plays a crucial role in helping you feel full and satisfied after eating, which can aid in weight loss efforts. Green bananas make a fantastic addition to smoothies or as a snack paired with nut butter. It's important to note that while ripe bananas provide similar nutritional benefits, they contain less resistant starch and therefore less fiber than their unripe counterparts. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't be afraid to grab some green bananas and start reaping the many nutritional benefits they have to offer. Other nutrients in green bananas. Aside from being a great source of electrolytes and fiber, green bananas also contain other essential nutrients that can contribute to overall health. One of these important nutrients is vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system and promoting healthy skin. Green bananas are also rich in vitamin B6, which helps the body produce red blood cells and neurotransmitters. This nutrient is vital for maintaining proper brain function and regulating mood. In addition to its vitamin content, green bananas are also a good source of potassium. Potassium is an important mineral that regulates fluid balance in the body and supports optimal nerve and muscle function. Another notable nutrient found in green bananas is resistant starch. Unlike typical carbohydrates that get broken down into sugar during digestion, resistant starch remains intact until it reaches the colon, where it feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Including green bananas in your diet can provide numerous health benefits due to their impressive nutritional profile. Other benefits of green bananas. Apart from being a good source of fiber and electrolytes, green bananas have several other benefits. One such benefit is their impact on blood sugar control. Green bananas have a low glycemic index, which means that they do not cause spikes in blood sugar levels as compared to ripe bananas. Green bananas are also rich in resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that is not digested in the small intestine but rather reaches the large intestine, where it acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria. This promotes digestive health and reduces the risk of colon cancer. Furthermore, green bananas contain high amounts of vitamin B6, which plays an important role in brain function by aiding the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These chemicals regulate mood and help prevent depression. Another notable benefit is that green bananas can help lower cholesterol levels due to their content of phytosterols, plant compounds that block cholesterol absorption in the body. Consuming green bananas has many potential health benefits beyond their delicious taste and versatility in recipes. So next time you see some unripe ones at your grocery store or local market, consider adding them to your cart. Conclusion. To sum it up, green bananas may not be the most popular fruit out there, but they are definitely a nutritional powerhouse worth considering. They offer a wide array of health benefits such as improved digestion, better heart health, and stronger bones, among others. The high levels of electrolytes and fiber in green bananas make them an excellent snack for athletes or anyone who wants to maintain their energy levels throughout the day. And with all these nutrients packed within each bite, it's no wonder that many people are starting to add this superfood to their diets. So why would anyone eat a green banana? Because they know just how beneficial it can be for their overall health and well-being. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook those unripe bananas. Grab one and see what all the fuss is about.